socks that tore all the skin off the bottom of his feet by the time he got to hike, and he limped through the whole thing and finished. Is he making his way out here? He went on after that fairly notorious start to come back, and he won this race twice, I believe. He was a course record holder for a couple of years. Where are you, Jamie? Oh, come in here. I need you in here. So he's got 900 miles on this course so far. I have complete confidence that sometime pretty early tomorrow morning he's going to rack up another 100, and he's going to be the first guy to finish this thing for the 10th time. And maybe these ginormous high-blade size buckles, and we didn't want to be shown up by them, but the price of precious metals is kind of high these days. So, the lowest marks are here, and it says Jamie Gifford 2000. Well, we lost 0 there. And I want to thank Linda Barton who's running today for putting this together.
You have to run it in front of that one.
We have a 1,000-mile jacket waiting for me in Easton. So.
That's nice.
You'll be the only guy in the Northwest with that on your sleeve when you finish on.